Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be getting ready with you all, hair edition. I'm giving the girls burgundiana today. Yes, the burgundy babe is back. This is my second time rocking this hair color this year. This hair color has been a vibe lately, I can't even lie. And not to mention, she's a low maintenance hottie. I didn't have to bleach the knots or style her, so we definitely have a gem on our hands. I'm going to be starting off with the Got2b glue hairspray around the perimeter of the hairline, so this wig is intact all day. So security is important, and Got2b glue seems to have us when it comes to that. So I'm going to just lay this lace down around that same area and just pushing all of this extra hair back. I'm going to take a claw clip also so the hair is not in the way once I start removing the ear tabs. So take your time when doing this. I was really rough and I almost lost some damn sideburns. Okay, so we don't want to do that. So taking my blow dryer on cool and warm, making sure it's a little tacky before I go in with this elastic band. Now we're going to work on the density because Miss Mama is thick. But shouts out to Beautyforever for keeping that density with their color units because sometimes that's not always the case. And I'm using my favorite pair of tweezers from Sally Beauty Supply Store. They're my favorite. I'll link them in the description box below. Y'all must get them because they're super affordable but really great quality. Now I had to pull out the hot comb because I wanted to make sure I had enough density out, and the hot comb will help you kind of gauge if you need to remove more hair or not. And as you can see, I needed to put in some more work. Alright, so now we're going to get into the part. Like I said, I wanted a bust down middle part, so I'm just going to part my hair with a rat tail comb that I got from Sally's Beauty Supply Store as well. And I'm just taking my tweezers and just opening up that part as much as possible without putting a hole in your lace. So working on the density next to the parting area, because if you don't do this step right here, it will give helmet head really quick, especially since we're doing a middle part bust down. We want this to be as flat as possible. So now that we have the plucking out of the way, I'm taking my Moroccan oil from Garnier and my Got2b glue hairspray, mixing those two together and laying that right on top of the hair just to make sure everything is laying flat and we got those flyaways controlled. And this is also going to help protect my hair from the hot comb. So I'm going to take my hot comb to make sure everything is laying flat. And if it's not as flat as I want it to be, I'm going to go back in and pluck. And of course I do that because I'm extra AF. Alright, so moving on to removing this lace, you guys. So I'm just going to quickly remove this extra lace. Take your time. We're going to take some time to appreciate this lace as well as these knots, you guys. Like, get into it. So I'm going to take some Garnier on this napkin and I'm just going to press the napkin around my hairline just to get away, just so I can remove that ashiness that you have around your perimeter from removing the lace, since we did go in with the Got2b glue hairspray. And I also took some Ebin New York, the lace tint spray, and I just sprayed it on the napkin as well and tapped around it just to bring some of that color back that I'm looking for. And I'm just creating my baby hairs, you guys. So the baby hairs are simple. I didn't try to go too crazy, but it still kind of was crazy. Sometimes I like baby hairs and other times I don't, but this time I wanted to give baby hairs today. So overall, you guys, this is basically what I ended up doing with my Beautyforever burgundy unit. It will be linked in the description box below if you guys are interested. I had so much fun doing this install with you guys. I hope you guys took something from the video. Definitely recommend you using that paper towel technique to remove the ashiness from your hairline with the Garnier Moroccan Oil Sleek Serum. It was a lifesaver, a life changer, and also doing that technique with your Ebin New York tint lace spray. My shade is in medium dark brown, so if we're the same complexion, try that one out, see if it works for you. But I'm going to still continue with these baby hairs and get them together. I do bring out my Baby Bliss flat iron, my tiny one, to curl them under, and I'm going to swoop them with my Got2b glue hairspray and a little bit of that Moroccan oil. So yeah, everything will be linked in the description box below, you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.